Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pull the clutch lever, press the shifter down to first gear, release the clutch slowly, and gently twist the throttle. As the bike gains forward momentum, put your feet up on the pegs. Of course, you won't be riding in a straight line. You'll need to know how to steer your motorcycle. 7 September 2018.
Take our lead.
Determining when to shift will vary on the bike, road conditions and travel speed. While most bikes are happy shifting at 5,000 to 7,000 RPMs, it is best to judge by the sound and feel of the engine. As you move faster, its pitch will increase. When the pitch is high, it is time to shift. 28 February 2019.
Take our lead.
Driving a motorcycle is hard, but riding one is easy. The way in which you handle a bike is the opposite of the way in which you drive a car. To change direction with a car, you turn the steering wheel, and this causes the front wheels to head at an angle to your current direction.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.